Gegrillte Bratwurst. Grilled bratwurst. A main dish from Germany. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Place the bratwursts, beer, onion, peppercorns, and cloves in a 3-quart saucepan. Step 2. Simmer for 20 minutes. Drain. Step 3. Grill the bratwurst 2 to 5 inches from the charcoal for about 10 minutes, or until browned. Step 4. Sprinkle with water to form a crisp skin. Step 5. Serve in hard rolls with potent mustard. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.